This year, my little boy has been going to many tournaments, and so we've been traveling around the country a lot. Most of the places we travel to are quite a distance away, and so we have to stay in a hotel. And because we've been traveling so much, I've made myself a weekend bag just so I'm always ready and I can just up and go even on a short notice. In this video, I want to show you what I bring on a short trip. Currently, I'm using this Louis Vuitton Totally MM in the Damier Ebene canvas as my weekend bag. However, apart from the tote bag, I also like to bring a small bag to use in the day. I love this Louis Vuitton mini backpack because it's really small but it can fit a lot of my daily essentials. I also really enjoy the Louis Vuitton canvas because it's really durable and worry-free. In here, I have my sunglasses, my phone, my Kindle e-reader, which is absolutely a travel essential for me, my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and this carries my lip balm, hand cream, an all-in-one face cream, my sunscreen, and a perfume atomizer. The perfume I'm currently using is this Diptyque Eau Capitale. It has a very unique scent, which I find very enjoyable. I also make sure to carry some plasters and cotton buds. These are always handy to have, especially when I'm away from home. This is my jewelry travel case. Now, seeing I'm only packing for very short trips, the selection is very curated. Typically, I only bring 1 to 2 pairs of diamond earrings and my Hermes CDC bracelet. But every day I do wear my diamond necklace, wedding band, and my Cartier love ring. I like to carry a notebook and a pen even when I travel because these come in really handy whenever I want to do some journaling or write down some ideas that spring into my mind. Now let's see what I have in my Louis Vuitton weekend bag. First of all, I have my toiletry bag. Personally, I don't carry body care products. I usually just use what the hotel provides, but I am quite particular with my skincare. So in here, I have my makeup remover, a face wash, a small serum spray, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. I don't know about you, but when I travel, my skin can feel a bit dry, so hydration is something I really prioritize. Apart from drinking lots of water, I now also like to use this UFO3 by Foreo Sweden to keep my skin hydrated. This is the deep facial hydration device, and can I just say, this little guy is amazing. Now, I used to love using sheet masks, but I haven't been very consistent with it because it can be quite time consuming. So typically with a sheet mask, you have to wait for about 20 minutes or longer. But with this device, I can shorten that time to just 2 minutes. And most importantly, this is a lot more effective than a conventional sheet mask. Now this is very easy to use. First of all, select the mask of your choice depending on the needs of your skin. They offer a very comprehensive selection of masks, so that is absolutely something for everyone. I personally really love this one called Make My Day, and this has hyaluronic acid and red algae for hydration. Next, remove the ring and clip the mask in. Then turn on the device and gently massage the essence into your skin with circular motions. I absolutely love how pampering and relaxing it feels. Again, it only takes 2 minutes, but your skin will feel incredibly hydrated, plump, and revived. In fact, clinical studies have shown just by using this device for 2 minutes, you can increase your skin moisture by 126%. And as we all know, regardless of your skin type, hydration is always important because it can help to reduce wrinkles, dullness, and blemishes. I really love, even though this is really compact, it can actually provide a full facial treatment. This UFO3 is designed to provide thermal therapy, which helps to increase blood flow. It also has cryotherapy, which helps to reduce inflammation and detoxify skin. You'll also be able to enjoy a full spectrum of LED therapy and very relaxing massage. Now, this hydration device hardly ever goes on sale, so I'm really excited that Foreo Sweden is giving my viewers a very generous discount. If you purchase using the link down below, you'll get 30% off. Not only that, the first 50 people to use the coupon code will also get an additional 10% discount, so make sure to look into it. This pouch carries my hair care products. In here, I have my travel hairbrush. This is from Philip Kingsley. I've had this for more than 10 years, and this is a fantastic little hairbrush. It just works so well. Another thing I always pack, even for a weekend trip, is my hair straightener. Now, I've tried the travel size straightener before, but it wasn't very effective. So now I prefer to just bring my GHD. I also have my hair serum, and this is a new favorite of mine, and it's the Shiseido Tsubaki Hair Milk. Some of you know I previously raved about a hair serum from Function of Beauty, but I haven't been placing more orders because the delivery costs have gone up by a lot. So for a while, I had been looking for a replacement, and I'm so glad I found this one. This is quite a bit cheaper as well, and it's so light and moisturizing. I just really love how my hair feels when I have this on, so I highly recommend it. And this pouch is for my oral care, and in here I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss and retainer. And this is my makeup bag, and this is pretty much everything I ever use, including foundation, setting powder, blush, eyeliner, eyebrow pencils and some brushes. I'm not very adventurous when it comes to makeup, so I usually restock the same products when the time is right. In terms of clothes, I only pack very minimally. Obviously, my outfits are season dependent. It's quite cold at the moment, so I have in here a pair of skinny jeans, one cashmere jumper, a thermal top, a pair of socks, and a set of undergarments. If you are wondering about pajamas, we actually set off in our pajamas, seeing we usually travel in the evening. So typically, we'll come back from work, have something to eat, have a shower, change into our pajamas before hitting the road. Anyway, the pajama set I'm currently wearing, especially for my short trips, are these ones from Goelia. These are made of 100% cotton, and the fabric is a little bit on the thicker side. Now, I usually love silk pajamas, but these are perfect in this case because technically I'm not wearing them strictly for indoor, so a thicker fabric is ideal. Moving on, this little pouch carries my feminine products and a small supply of medications for emergency, in case any of us come down with a fever or a flu. The only other electronic gadget I pack are my AirPods. I don't usually bring things like my laptop or my iPad because from experience, I know it's so easy to be over-ambitious with how much work I can do when I'm traveling. So now I prefer to just leave them out, and if I ever get bored, I'll either listen to some music or read on my Kindle. Some of you know I hadn't been using this Louis Vuitton Totally MM for quite some time. In fact, I even thought about selling it a while ago. But now it's starting to feel like a very handy bag to have again. I should also mention that at one point, I did feel quite conscious about the Damier Ebene canvas on such a big surface. Seeing this canvas is such a signature of Louis Vuitton, so at times it can feel a little bit loud, but at the same time, this canvas is also so durable and is water resistant, making it perfect for traveling. So at the moment, I think I'm quite happy to keep this bag in my collection. Now, to be honest, I could swap the Louis Vuitton with this Longchamp La Plage, seeing this could also make a very lovely weekend bag. But at the moment, I'm using this for work, so I'd much rather not have to keep transferring things. So all in all, I wouldn't say you need a Louis Vuitton bag as your weekend bag. If I didn't have one already, I most likely wouldn't buy one just to use as my weekend bag. But seeing I bought this years ago at quite a good price and that I now have use for it, I'm quite happy to keep this in my wardrobe. So that is everything I pack in my weekend bag for short trips. Let me know what are your travel essentials and if you have any recommendations. That's it from me today. Take care and I will see you soon.